Hello, everybody. It's your favorite dinosaur loving kid, Dinosaur Explorer 105. And today I'll be talking about everybody's favorite dinosaur, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Ah, yes, the T Rex, everybody's favorite dinosaur in their childhood. Today in this video, we'll be talking about its ecology, where it lived, what time did it live in, what it ate, and how it died. This video will be documenting other dinosaurs. Will be documenting this dinosaur, and in the other videos, I'll be talking about different species of dinosaur throughout the Mesozoic, and also other creatures outside of that time period too, but mainly dinosaurs. So let's start with everybody's favorite dinosaur, and the world's most popular dinosaur. Time and place. Tyrannosaurus rex lived during the Mesozoic era. This time period right here, during the Cretaceous period. During the Cretaceous period, right around here. Here. And it lived in the late Cretaceous, 68 to 66 million years ago. Oh. And some scientists originally did think T-Rex lived 65 million years ago, which is what most media wants you to think, but T-Rex actually went extinct 66 million years ago, not 65. What it ate and hunted. T-Rex would have probably hunted big, bulky, and hefty herbivores, like the duck-billed Edmontosaurus and the three-horned Triceratops. These two dinosaurs would have been perfect prey for a Tyrannosaurus, since they were big and bulky carnivores, so it's obvious they would probably hunt big and bulky prey. An Edmontosaurus would probably most likely fight back, although it doesn't really have many defenses. It can still use its front limbs to kick the T-Rex and its tail, but it would stand no chance against the T-Rex's bone-crushing bite. For a Triceratops, on the other hand, it would be able to fend off a T-Rex no problem. So it's most likely T-Rex would probably go after the young ones, the juveniles or teenage Triceratops. And how do we know that T-Rex hunted these two dinosaurs? Well, by fossil evidence, of course. After studying their bones and skeletons, we found bite marks that actually belonged to a Tyrannosaurus on their bones, indicating that Edmontosaurus and Triceratops may have had a predator and prey relationship with Tyrannosaurus rex. And in fact, we even found a Tyrannosaurus tooth embedded into the tail vertebrae of a Edmontosaurus individual. And that was a pretty big dude, let me tell you. T-Rex habitat. The habitat for Tyrannosaurus would have been similar to the redwoods, or the Everglades, being a sort of forested redwood area. So, not really the ashy sandful landscape that you would see in documentaries, say, Walking with Dinosaurs. These dinosaurs also would have probably had earthy coloring, which would help it blend in when it would be ambushing its prey. Senses. T-Rex would have had the greatest vision of any terrestrial carnivore. Its vision was probably better than most hawks and eagles. It also had a strong bite force of 35,000 pounds of force, or newtons, for all of you smarty pantses out there. It also had a great sense of smell. So not only can this dinosaur see you, even if you don't move, has a bite force strong enough to crush a car, and can literally track you down from miles on end. Meaning this guy should be dead. Extinction. Scientists do know how T-Rex went extinct after the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. It's a little more complicated than, say, oh, God pooped out an asteroid and hit Earth. Dinosaurs died. The end. No, it's more complicated than that. See, when the asteroid hit the Earth in the Yucatan Peninsula, near Mexico, near the Gulf of Mexico, it caused an aftershock or mini earthquakes in the oceans and on land. And because of this, ash and soot filled up in the atmosphere, causing forest fires and acid rain from clouds, which burned down most of the plant matter that these herbivorous dinosaurs relied on for survival. And because of this, they died out. The T-Rex also died out as well because the buffet couldn't last forever. Sure, there are plenty of dead carcasses for the T-Rex to eat, but after food gets scarce, T-Rexes had to resort to cannibalism, eating their own kind, even their own young, just to survive. But inevitably, the T-Rex eventually died millions of years ago in the KPG extinction event. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, or don't if you don't. Next time on our adventure, we'll be documenting the sailed back Spinosaurus. This is DX signing off.